It is. Let me see here. Check the time. 5:30. We just got a couple of, man, 3 of them. Earthquakes for you. A 5.4 Manado Island. At 123 miles in depth. And a 5.3 in Indonesia at 85 miles in depth. And a 4.3 northwest of Balkan region. That's Balkan region. And that's at 6 miles in depth. That's all I have, guys. It's been very quiet today, which I'm very happy. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You're all so awesome. Are they awesome? Did I give him a kiss? Oh, you guys just got kissed. Thank you. And he's wiggling his tail.